Hello, my lovely friends. Good morning, my lovely friend. Today we discuss foaming booster in washing powder. The life of our foaming owens for about 5 years. Proper way for 5 years. In which way, my lovely friends? First of all, we study my golden brown washing powder recipe. Number one, sodium carbonate 45%. This is cleaning agent, a strong base, and react with acid. Number two, sodium bicarbonate. It is weak base and used for brightness. Sulfuric acid, sodium bicarbonate 5%, sulfuric acid, strong acid, acid, strong foaming agent, and cleaning agent. It react with base 7%. SLS powder. This is foaming agent 1%. SLES foaming agent 3%. Understand? Sodium silicate builder we use for softness 5%. TSP cleaning oily dirts TSP 5%. HTPP 3%. Gulabar salt 15%, salt 3%, color dana 4%, perfume 0.5%, Nansa base powder for whiteness 2%, oxalic acid bleaching agent 2%. My lovely friends, this is my golden brand recipe. There are question, the two foaming agent does not work as a foaming purpose. They are not working in water as a H plus and OH minus as a ONs. There are four chemical group are working for foaming purpose, for foaming booster, for life of foaming for 5 years. Four chemicals are working together. Number one, sodium carbonate, strong base, sulfuric acid, strong acid react with each other. When sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate neutralize in water, sulfuric acid create H plus ions, only working H plus ions, positive charge. Understand? Sodium carbonate create in water OH minus and release carbonic acid, carbon dioxide, caustic soda. These activities are working by sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate. They are react their ions, they are fight each other, they are fight in the shape of alcohol functional group. Carbon, hydrogen, and this is head. This attack the dirty dots, oily dots. Sulfuric acid also create hydrophilic for fighting. This is a lover, water lover. Sulfuric acid also create in water hydrophobic, oily lover. Attack on dirty dots, oily dots, and removed by micelle, all dirt removed by sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate. But SLS and LES also helping is a foaming purpose, is a foaming booster, is a foaming agent. But only SLS and SLES is nothing for foaming agent, but they are working four chemicals together. The result is a strongly forming, strongly reaction by activators for 5 years. 5 years. This is a forming booster group of chemicals, four chemical. This is my golden brown recipe, washing powder recipe. Ah, understand, my lovely friends? And any more question? There are no any question. Without strong acid, without strong base, the forming working action reaction forming agent, the SLS and SLES is nothing. Four chemical work together in water because sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate only work in water, only neutralize and fight each other by their ONs, H plus and OH minus. Understand? These chemicals are working together in proper way and create forming booster 5 years for killing of glass, for killing of floor, for killing of leather, for killing of any textile industries, for killing of soap industry. All purpose made by four chemicals. Thanks to watching. Bye.